Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Janoy with Trading the Charts Pro, and in this video guys, we're going to break down the overall market to see where the market is going to go. Stay tuned, let's go. All right, guys, so here, man, last week was crazy because, we were wrong. We were wrong to some extent in terms of where the market was actually going to go. And what do I mean? Yes, we did talk about the retracement level, price action breaking the 50 on the ES futures. And when we saw the 50 broken, the retracement level was actually 3,650. And guys, we barely touched that level in terms of the 61% retracement level on this move from here after we broke out. Let me change the color right here so we can see clearly what I'm breaking down. So we took the retracement from here onto this entire move right here. So when the market started to pull down, we said, all right, if the 50 gets broken, which is the 50 EMA, then, we need to see the market pull back to the retracement level, which is the 60% retracement level, which actually was, like I said, right into the 3,650 level. And what do you know? We barely kissed that level. And then, guys, from there, the market just rocket back off and coming straight up to the upside. For a second, I did believe, based on how it was looking, like we were actually going to come back down and test the old resistance level, but that wasn't the case. So the bulls came in and they take over the market, and we are pretty much back to normal. What does that mean? It means that this uptrending channel that we had to the upside, that's what the market is doing again, guys. So we cannot fight the trend. We just have to get in line with the trend and start making some money as the market continues to move higher. All right, so what am I looking for right here, right now? Well, I'm looking for the market to actually, it made a new high on Friday. Yes, on Thursday, it was also at a new high. I'm still looking for the market in terms of the ES to break above or hit into the 3,900 level on its way to $4,000. That's where the S&P 500 is actually going. So if you're swing trading, if you're bullish, yes, take some profit while things are good. But this was a great opportunity to get in on some stock that had pulled back just into their support, typically the 50 EMA, and from there they're doing pretty good at this point. All right, so let's move on over and start looking at the Dow. See what is the Dow telling us in terms of where is the market going, guys. When we look at the Dow, man, I can't lie, the Dow had me thinking that boom, we're coming down to 28,780, and boy, was I wrong, because the market pretty much hit down, break the retracement level just a little bit, broke the 50, and then, guys, we just got bought back up like crazy. We've been going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. However, what are we seeing right now? Well, the market is, in terms of the Dow, we're right back into the resistance right here, right now. On Friday, we hit it pretty hard, but we didn't break out. We just touched the top and gave back a little bit. So when the market opens, or when futures opens back on Sunday, I'm looking to see, hey, do we have enough momentum to pop out of the 31,146 level? And if that happens, guys, we are in uncharted territory. We are running higher, and we just enjoy it. We enjoy it while it lasts, because yes, we buy the pullbacks and take profits when the market starts to, pull back a little bit. So we buy the dips, take profit when the market runs back up. let's look at tech, see what is going on in tech. I was not surprised by tech because we said, all right, we like the uptrend, the market hit into the resistance breakout, and then it was pulling back, but the momentum on tech was not as strong to the downside as the Dow, the Dow futures and the ES futures. So for that reason, I was pretty much convinced, based on the last video, if you go back and look at that one, that the market was only going to come down to the 50 EMA in terms of the Nas futures. And we know that tech is a beast. Tech is a beast, and tech always leads the market higher. So for now, yes, we bounce off the 50 and now we're rocking back to the upside, guys. So everything is looking good right now. What am I looking for? Well, tech just broke out, made a new high. It break back above this uptrending resistance line. So, what are we looking? Do we have enough momentum to push higher and then pull back into this uptrending resistance as support, and we continue moving higher for the short term or foreseeable future until we get another pullback that takes us back down to the 50 until the trend ends. We don't know when the trend is going to end, so we're just riding the trend, taking the profits whenever the market attempts to pull back, or when you have 20, 30, 40, 50 or 100% return in any given trade. That's a great time to take some off the table. Now guys, at the end of every video, I like to give you one stock or two stocks that I'm actually watching in the upcoming week. So here it is, guys. Come on, on Friday we had a beast move on something that we were watching, and I can tell you guys, ZM which is Zoom, price pull back. All right, let me clear this up just a little bit so you don't miss any of the details in terms of what I'm paying attention to. All right, so ZM, this stock was a beast throughout 2020. However, we hit up here into the 575 level. Then from there, the stock just keep on pulling back to fill a gap down here at this 327 level. Now the gap has been filled, all right, and I've been watching, or was watching, the stock. We bounced, but we were not able to hold above the 50 EMA, right? And on Friday, I took a position, I think on Wednesday, Thursday, I took a position on Tuesday, I took a position on Wednesday, nothing. Thursday, nothing. Then on Friday, guys, we popped out like crazy. I don't know, 100 shares to this, and yeah, we popped up to the first level and I took some profit. Was that the smartest thing to do? Well, typically when I see stocks move like 7%, 10%, 15% in one day, I like to take a little bit off the table. Why? Because I don't know if when the market opens on Monday, we're gonna have a red day. You understand what I mean? That's super short-term thinking, but when Monday comes back around, this is going to be one of my top play that I'm watching. And let's talk about why this is a top play, because I do feel like this has a lot more room to go based on the retracement. So if we look at the move that we just fell, which is from 588 down to 331, if price is going to go lower, which it can, typically what price will do is retrace just a little bit and then go lower. All right, it can also just come back and test the top way back up in the 588. So I do feel like the opportunity is here to still be long on display into $490. All right, that's where I feel like price is going. So if we look at it from where it's at right now, it's under 425 all the way up to 490. Yes, this is a big stock, but 425, 420 to 490, guys, that's around 70 points to the upside. I feel like that's super exciting. So I'm going to be watching it on Monday to see what it does. I know they have earnings, I think, in the first week of March. So if I do take this play on Monday, I'm going to be looking to be out of it before earnings, because earnings can throw a monkey wrench in any trade that you have going on. All right, so guys, I hope you find some value inside this video. If you did, just hit the thumbs up button, and I look forward to see you in the next